So today, we're going to take a little break from the 280ZX videos. My friend Brian just bought new coilovers for his RSX and needed my help to install them. So, for today, we're going to be installing new coilovers on RSX. Let's get it!
What's up, Trug?
Looks like you got started without me.
I've been stuck on this one part.
What's up?
What's up? My hand's dirty.
F it. No, so...
I just need to take off the tie rod boot, which is that, but we need to go get a tool at O'Reilly's. Get that tool because that's the only thing that stopped me from taking that thing off.
Yeah.
That's about it, and then we'll start up again.
Alright, sounds good. Let's get it. Brian, how long is this whole thing going to take?
It would have took good. We could have been done like an hour and a half ago, but I have to wait for that tool. But now, putting everything back together. So it's like a 20-minute job each. Should be.
Should be?
Yeah, but there's some setbacks. Hard roads and that.
Well, we just, didn't you said we were gonna have a couple setbacks, right?
Yeah. Found another one.
Idiot put it on the wrong way.
Yeah. Gotta see if it goes in.
Many hours later.
Alright, so minor setback. Brian, what happened?
Gotta jump my dad around.
So, but at least we got one. At least we got one side done. So let's get the other side. Brian, tell me what you're doing right now.
I just dropped the ball here,
A few moments later.
I want to get like this out of the way first, like this in the alignment so the car actually drives perfect, and then by the wheels.
It's better when you do the same color because then you don't have to do the door jams. You can
Yeah.
do the door jams the same. That's why I did white.
Good color, green light.
Yeah, I never used white.
Oh,
Right.
A few moments later.
Alright, looks like you finally got it.
that was fucking heavy. First of all, I would not have a username of that. Support side?
Support me side? Is that how you say it?
Huh?
Support me side?
Support side.
Support me side.
So just support me side.
I thought I just was saying it right.
How are you
So
saying it?
No, I don't want to say it now. I was like saying something say or something.
It's like me when I used to say Shiley.
Yeah, true.
Well, no, you guys pronounce my name right. So.
It's like dragon fucker.
Oh my god. Dragon fucker?
Woo! Alright, so finally, we're done. Yeah. Brian, how long do you think this whole process took?
Not supposed to take this long. I could have got this done in like an hour. But you know, there's so many setbacks.
And errands. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure to follow this guy on Instagram @LowBrian. Right? @LowBrian_. And big thanks to Shalene for letting us use your garage. Laters.
Yeah, let's watch it. There's no stiffy of it does not move at all. Yeah, there's no stiffy of it does not move at all.
I've been looking too hard, I've been waiting too long.
Watch it, you should be like, really? You won't throw me under the bus?